Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So, quick video. I want to have a conversation with us about what if I can't afford the repairs? It's actually a great question. So, my question back to you is it that you can't afford the repairs, or is it that the repairs are unexpected? More often than not, it's actually that the repairs are unexpected, right? Nobody plans on their vehicle breaking down, including myself. Nobody plans on that to happen. More often than not, your mechanic has probably been telling you, hey, we need to do the timing belt at this mileage interval. We need to do these services. We need to do this, this, and this in the future. Or on our next oil change, we're going to need tires or whatever. And those things can be planned for and budgeted. But what happens whenever you do go out and your car won't start, and now it needs a battery and a starter? An unexpected expense. So we actually have financing partners. We have promotional financing where you can actually, with one of my financing partners, you can literally spend $10 today, assuming that you're approved, and they have very high approval rates. You're going to spend $10 today, and then you don't even have to make your first payment for another month or so. They also have 100 days same as cash, so there's no interest charges that start in that first 100 days. What we've been able to find out is most people can handle a repair. They just need 75 to 90 days to actually get that handled. So it's not that they can't afford it, they just don't have the cash flow today to handle it. In those cases, we're able to help you out. We have financing partners that specialize in helping you when cash flow is low. Well, what if I don't have credit or something like that? Listen, I'm not your banker. I'm your car guy. I'm your mechanic. I'm the one that helps you with your transportation solutions. But a couple of the companies that we use, they don't do any hard credit checks. They have super high approval ratings. But the other thing is you get denied from those, you still can't afford it, then there's other options. Do you have a family member or a friend that you can call that can help you out with it? Is it possible that you could trade in a car for a different car? Perhaps you're driving a later model car that's got an issue, and you could go to an older car and now have a set of transportation that works, right? There's a lot of different options, but we've been able to find out that we can solve almost any problem that is presented. And more often than not, it's because it's unexpected. It's not because you can't afford it. I had a lady the other day that told me, hey, it's just so expensive, I can't afford it. Well, she couldn't afford, what she was really telling me was she couldn't afford the whole invoice on one credit card. We split the invoice into 3 different transactions, and she used 3 different cards to pay for it. So everything with communication is figure outable. We can solve this problem. I'll see you in the next video.